Xiaomi Poco F5 Network Technology GSM, HSPA, LTE, 5G. Launch announced 9 May 2023. Body dimensions are 161.1 x 75 by 7.9 mm or 6.34 by 2.95 by 0.31 inch. Weight 181 grams or 6.38 ounces. Supports dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. IP53, dust and splash resistant. Display type is AMOLED, 68B colors, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, 120 Hz, 500 nits, type, 1000 nits, peak. Display size is 6.67 inches, 107.4 square centimeters, approximately 88.9% screen-to-body ratio. Resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 ratio, approximately 395 pixels per inch density. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Platform. Android 13, MIUI 14 for Poco. Chipset Qualcomm SM7475AB Snapdragon 7 Plus General 2, 4 nm. CPU. Octa-core, 1 by 2.91 GHz Cortex A710 and 3 by 2.49 GHz Cortex A710 and 4 by 1.8 GHz Cortex A510. GPU Adreno 725. Memory card slot not available. Internal storage 256 GB 8 GB RAM, 256 GB 12 GB RAM UFS 3.1. Main camera triple 64 megapixels, f. 1.8, wide, 1/2, 0.7 micrometers, PDAF, OIS 8 megapixels, f. 2.2, 120, ultrawide, 1/4, 1.12 micrometers. 2 megapixels, f. 2.4, macro. Features LED flash, HDR, panorama video 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30, 60/120 fps, Euro ICE. Selfie camera single 16 megapixels, f. 2.5, wide. Selfie camera video 1080p at 30/60 fps. Sound loudspeaker with stereo speakers. 3.5 mm jack yes 24-bit, 192 kHz audio. Comms WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11a, B/gram, N, AC, 6. Dual band Bluetooth 5.3, A2DP, La positioning GPS, L1, GLONASS, G1, BDS, B1I, Galileo, E1, QZSS, L1, NFC yes, market, region dependent, infrared port yes radio no USB Type-C 2.0, OTG features sensors fingerprint, side-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass battery type LiPo 5000 mAh, non-removable. Charging 67W wired, PD3, QC4, 100% in 46 minutes, advertised.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.